been a windy day, but spent it flying kites outside, but winds are pretty strong, so came back in. But perfect weather, even though it's a bit noisy. So been a crazy Wednesday. Strong winds outside, which first time. Um, but lovely cooler weather. It's cloudy. And just did some other art projects and took care of other things. Even tried out the PiccyBot app, which is pretty interesting. It pretty much describes all the pictures if you set it up. But it's pretty interesting. Um, it's free from the App Store, so tried it out yesterday, and it works with no issue. So don't have to pay for it. Just download it from the App Store. Um, so all interesting. So you can pretty much share your photos and do pretty much other things with it. I haven't tried the video feature yet, but maybe tomorrow. Only tried it out with the photos, but it works. So highly recommend you give it a try. For the iPhone, it works wonders.
Stop recording button.
So PiccyBot, capital at the beginning of both words if you're gonna find it in the App Store. But no spaces in between. But it's free, and I don't know. I recommend you try. So it works pretty much. So far, so good. Tried it today again, and not bad as far as describing images. Pretty much just a audio recording of what you took a photo of, and you can play the recording and then find a text description of it